Hello, Maury. Happy birthday. I knew you would make it to 100, but have you finished those chapters you promised to show me yet? When are they coming?
The thing I learned from you is how to be always optimistic, and there is nothing on the world that cannot be solved.
Hello, Dr. Collen. I want to take this opportunity to wish you a wonderful 100th birthday. I also wanted to take this opportunity to thank you for all of the wonderful contributions you have made to the Division of Research.
Maury, I want to thank you so much for founding the Division of Research, for providing us a vision for the informatics work that you started way back in the 1940s and 1950s. Your picture of how computers would advance the practice of medicine is something that we're trying to fulfill today.
I was honored last year to be at a relatively small dinner to celebrate your 99th birthday. And I remember how impressed I was that you're sitting there and you're asking me, so what are Tracy's plans about informatics? And I'm thinking, well, you know, we are planning to hire informatics person, and in the back of mind I'm thinking, maybe you should take that job again, Maury.
I wanna say this one story that I will always remember. I say to my kids and all my colleagues.
I'm so glad I was able to meet and work with you here at DOR. Not everyone can say they've had the opportunity to work with both of you and Dr. Cutting, and I have had that honor.
So for several years, a few of us met weekly to discuss developments in medical informatics. It was just very inspiring to have literally the man that wrote the book in the room to give personal anecdotes, describe the actors and the events.
You always have such great stories about the early days of DOR and your groundbreaking work. Congratulations on a fantastic career.
And I also wanted to thank you for my job, because I wouldn't have one if you hadn't been such a visionary and partnered with Dr. Garfield and Mr. Kaiser to create Kaiser Permanente.
In 1981, my early years here, I was consulting with the Total Healthcare Project, which you were leading the evaluation of. And it presented to me a great vision of what care at Kaiser Permanente could be.
And as much an honor and a privilege to work with the multiphasic health checkup data over these many years, none of which would have been possible without your great vision.
And the story goes that there was a father and had two sons. One of the sons was optimist all the time, and the other one was pessimist.
It has been a privilege and a pleasure to know you and to become one of your guardian angels. You've enchanted us with your reminiscences of your early years with Dr. Garfield.
To know you personally and to have heard the stories, the personal stories of the people, and the story of Kaiser Permanente, how it came to be, where it is now, where it might be again. This is an honor that I just will treasure all of my life.
I've learned so much from you, and you've done so much both for me and for the Division of Research. You're also an inspiration to me about successful aging, and I consider you a role model for that.
Maury, every time I start to think that I'm too old to keep working so hard, I just pull up the picture of you in my brain, stop feeling sorry for myself, and keep on going.
And Christmas was coming, and the dad was wondering what should he get for his sons. So he asked one of his friends, and the friends say, okay, why don't you get a brand new beautiful bike for your pessimist son and get a pile of horse manure for the optimist? So the man say, okay.
You may not know it to look at me, but I was Maury's mentor at Kaiser Permanente for over 37 years. I taught him everything he knows about computers. Well, maybe it was the other way around. He was my mentor for 37 years. And what a remarkable mentor he was.
You've been a role model in many ways impossible to emulate, but I particularly want to thank you for creating a database that enabled me to have a second fascinating career as an epidemiologist and thereby to avoid both midlife and late life crises.
We've been so inspired by your vision, your example of creating resources that are still so much a part of the excellence of research at DOR today.
I have been the fortunate recipient, like everyone here at DOR, of the fruits of your vision in creating what we now know as the Division of Research, and the inspiration that you have provided for so many of us who've made DOR our research home.
Christmas Day comes and both sons walk into the room. The pessimist looks at the bike and he was complaining that the color is wrong, something wrong with the tires and something wrong with the seat of the bike. And there is the optimist son all the way on top of the horse manure and keep on digging down and keep on digging down and keep on talking to himself. There gotta be a pony in there somewhere.
Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday, Maury, from all of us at the research program on genes, environment, and health.
Happy birthday. Happy 100th birthday.
Happy birthday.
A very happy birthday, Dr. Collen.
Happy birthday, and I expect you'll have many more.
I'd like to wish you a very happy 100th birthday.
Maury, I want to wish you both a happy birthday and many happy returns.
I wanted to wish you a very happy 100th birthday.
Happy birthday, Maury.
Happy 100th birthday, Maury.
Happy birthday, Maury.
Congratulations, Dr. Collen, on your very special birthday.
And I will make you a roast beef sandwich anytime you like.